I think that when people think of skiing on the East Coast, they think of Vermont or New Hampshire. Or even Quebec. But I want people to see New York for not just its Olympic history, but for what it is today.
Oh my God!
We're going to sue the Lake Placid Olympic Committee. We think it's just chaotic and it's ridiculous to subject people to this. I'm sure we're all frostbitten.
So, snowed probably about a foot last night. Heavy winds. And the snow blew away. It's all gone.
Filming day one, gonna be a huge success. Should you come ski here?
Yes, but you have to ski with an open mind.
Rope.
You're often going to get shut down to one turn at a time. And it doesn't matter if it's white, if it's gray, brown, or black, you got to ski it anyway.
Word is, it looks a lot better in person. You just gotta get down there. You gotta get on it.
Talk a lot of shit for someone who didn't help build the jump, huh?
Oh yeah. That's why you don't carry beers.
At the rear view mirror as you go driving away. I'll see
I'm Jim Sosel, and I initially came to the Adirondacks to go hiking. Fell in love with the place and moved here, and it was the best thing I ever did. There was only a handful of us, really, and if we saw somebody that we didn't know, it was rare. Started skiing with the Ski to Die Club, and unfortunately it was competitive. It was a race to the top of the mountain. In this part of the country, people hadn't caught on to getting fresh into the backcountry.
That keeps me chasing my
Right up.